what in the legal wildfire is unraveling around Bambi? And why is Stevie J sweating bullets like he's hiding classified files under his blazer? While we were busy thinking love and hip-hop was nothing more than wigs flying and Instagram shade, an actual high-stakes scandal was slowly simmering beneath the surface. And now, it's detonated right inside a real courtroom, with actual judges, cameras, and consequences. Let's be clear. This isn't your usual reunion mess. This is a luxury-heeled courtroom drama with more twists than a season finale cliffhanger. Reports from courthouse insiders, those mysterious figures allegedly streaming tea from bathroom stalls, say Bambi was visibly shaken when a certain video hit the courtroom monitors. And not just any clip, the clip. The one Stevie J supposedly hid deep, hoping the world would never see it. But now, it's public. It's viral. It's spreading like wildfire on TikTok, imploding timelines on Twitter, and breaking auntie group chats wide open. And right in the middle of this scandalous storm, Lil Scrappy. His name is everywhere, legal docs, filings, whispers in courthouse corners. And from the way things are snowballing, it's not looking good. Now everyone wants answers. Was this a trap set with cold precision? Was it revenge? Or are we staring at the most jaw-dropping reality TV explosion-turned-legal nightmare the industry has ever seen? Strap in. Because what we're about to reveal will have you rethinking every staged brunch, every all-is-forgiven moment, and every suspicious glance between Bambi and Stevie J. Let's rewind. Bambi entered court looking like a red carpet moment. Unbothered, sleek, everything in place. But when that screen turned on, the vibe shifted. The air thickened. The judge leaned in. Stevie J's smirk evaporated. What played wasn't just evidence, it was a digital grenade. And this kind of footage, it never stays contained. It leaks, it spreads, and it scorches everything in its path. Now don't get it twisted. This wasn't some overnight plot. This has been cooking for months, maybe longer. This hearing, it's the grand reveal in a long-boiling feud that's been festering since Scrappy and Bambi's relationship went from sweet on screen to sour behind the scenes. And according to those conveniently anonymous insiders, the same ones, who overhear everything at cast parties. This was supposed to be a simple hearing. But when Stevie J showed up, briefcase in hand, eyes sharp, it was clear. The quiet hearing just turned into a war zone. Let's break it down. Bambi's being accused of serious behind-the-scenes manipulation. Stevie J, though technically not. Involved is front and center with the so-called receipts. Scrappy, he's stuck in the fallout. His name dragged harder than a synthetic wig in a thunderstorm. The footage allegedly proves Bambi tampered with evidence, altered filings, and tried to erase documents that could have protected Scrappy in court. But hold up, it doesn't stop there. We're talking surveillance footage, audio memos. Secret. Convos Bambi swore never happened, with people she denied even knowing. It's betrayal with a camera angle, and Stevie J is holding the director's cut like a villain waiting for the perfect plot twist. Let's not act brand new. Bambi and Stevie J have never exactly been besties. There's a long history of subtle jabs, shaded posts, and tension that could cut through reality TV makeup. But no one expected this courtroom ambush. No one expected the betrayal bomb. And it hit so hard, even Mona Scott, the architect of drama herself, is allegedly distancing from the blast. When Mona goes quiet, that's when you know this ain't part of the script. Now let's talk contents. The leaked footage, according to sources who've made a career out of overhearing rich people drama in hotel lounges, allegedly shows Bambi planning to tweak statements in Scrappy's custody case. That's not just messy, that's tampering. That's criminal. And just when you thought the video was damaging enough, the audio hits. A woman sounding almost identical to Bambi is heard saying, "He ain't ever gonna see this coming." Let him drown. That's what he gets for playing me. Allegedly. We don't need voice print experts when the entire internet's already playing detective. Fans are analyzing every breath, every syllable, and they're convinced. That voice? That's Bambi. When the footage hit blogs, Twitter did what it does best. Exploded. One user tweeted, "Bambi playing 4D chess while Scrappy thought they were co-parenting. I can't breathe." Another added, "Stevie dropped that flash like Thanos. Courtroom went poof." And then, a now-deleted IG story from a rapper that definitely rhymes with Future read, "Stay woke. These women out here plotting harder." Then the feds, "Lil Scrappy? Bro was done." Witnesses say he slumped in his seat like someone rewrote his whole season arc in real time. His legal team, caught completely off guard. That footage wasn't part of discovery. Stevie pulled a sneak attack. Straight off script, no heads up. So, why did Stevie J do it? Some say he's tired of being the industry scapegoat. Others say this was cold revenge, the kind you wait years to serve. And then there's the theory. He knew the footage was gonna leak regardless, so he beat everyone to it and dropped the hammer first. Regardless, the internet is feasting. TikTok is analyzing Bambi's blink rate. YouTube is dropping 45-minute reaction breakdowns. Twitter's on fire. Your free Scrappy is still trending under non-Bambi-gate. And this is just the prelude. The judge adjourned the session and called for a multi-agency probe. Not just a routine court case anymore. This is now under forensic investigation. Who filmed what? Who edited what? Who leaked what? And who's lying with a straight face? Then came the climax. As the courtroom prepared to clear out, Bambi stood up, eyes locked on Stevie J. According to multiple lip readers and every shady blog out there, she mouthed, "You just ended your career," to which Stevie allegedly replied with the most disrespectful smirk of the year, "Nah, I just started yours." Security stepped in, emotions flared. Scrappy left through a back door. Bambi was rushed out. Stevie, he walked out like a man who just dropped a mixtape and a lawsuit in the same breath. And that's when the madness outside erupted. Media, protesters, fans, signs reading, "Scrappy deserves better," and "Unlock the tape." Stevie stood in the center of it all like he just won Best Male Villain at the VMAs, calm, cold, collected. But behind the scenes, chaos was only beginning. Where did the footage really come from? How long had Stevie held it? And who else was in on this? Sources say it was all from a scrapped plotline, a love and hip-hop arc that never made the final cut. But Stevie J kept the files, like that one ex who holds your texts in a folder called Just In Case. And baby, this was the case. Documents leaked alongside the footage allegedly show texts from Bambi discussing how to make Scrappy look unstable. Another text read, "If he loses it in court, we win." Let that marinate. This isn't just betrayal, it's character assassination with receipts. Bambi's team? Rattled. Within hours, they issued a statement. The footage is fake, it's malicious, and it was leaked by a desperate opportunist. Oh, and they hinted it might have been AI generated. Yes, we're in the ChatGPT defense era now, but then came the real PR fail. Bambi went live. That very night. Lashes flawless, attitude intact. 68,000 people watching as she said, "They want to make me a villain? Cool. Just wait till y'all see my side." She didn't say names. She didn't have to. Everyone knew who she was aiming at. And in the comment section, nothing but clown emojis, snake gifs, and girl no reactions. Meanwhile, Stevie J was on his own IG posting cryptic stories, a burning envelope, a caption that read, "Receipts don't lie, people do." And the cherry on top? A selfie with a courtroom badge, petty, Olympic, gold. But underneath all the memes, a real storm is brewing. A leaked courthouse email says the district attorney is now reviewing the case for possible witness tampering, perjury, and obstruction. Translation: this isn't just entertainment. This is about to get criminal. More chaos coming soon. It's coming soon.